Hello, in the next series of videos we're going to look at fault finding. Now hopefully you're much more confident in assembling your circuits now, and if you do find a fault, hopefully you'll be able to recognise it and rectify it. Now in activity 24 we're going to use a simple circuit including a light emitting diode. I've got two cells here, two cells and cell holders, and we're going to wire them in series as we have done in previous activities. So I'm going to connect a black lead here into the negative terminal of our first cell, and a red lead into our positive terminal of our first cell, and I'm going to connect that to the black negative terminal of our second cell. And finally, one more red lead, and we're going to connect that into our red positive terminal of our second cell. So now our cells are wired in series and we're ready to incorporate our component. Now, as I said, it's going to be an LED or light emitting diode. Here you can see our circuit symbol here. So I'm going to connect our diode, and as you can see it's not working. Now light emitting diodes or LEDs will only work if they're connected correctly and if they're wired in with the right polarity. Now with our component holders here, you can see that I've wired in a black lead from our negative terminal of our battery and connected it to the red positive terminal of our LED. And with the other lead from the positive terminal, our red lead from the positive terminal of our cell, I've connected it to the black negative terminal of our light emitting diode. And that's the issue. That was the issue with this circuit, that this LED was connected in the incorrect polarity. So if I turn it around and I connect my lead from our negative terminal of our cell here to the black negative terminal of our LED, and our lead here from our positive terminal into the red positive terminal of our LED, you can see that it now works. So we're using a light emitting diode, and diodes work in exactly the same way. They will not operate correctly unless you connect them in the circuit with the right polarity. Now here, I hope you can see, I have an LED component, and if you can see, it has two legs, and you know which leg is positive and which leg is negative. The positive leg is always the longer one. So this is an LED that you would actually use in a circuit. So with our very simple circuit using our light emitting diode, our LED, we've managed to rectify our fault and allow it to operate correctly.